Oh my gosh, this bag has been living rent-free in my mind for months. 4 months. I mean, I just was like, I can't take it anymore. So what I did, I just went ahead and made the purchase of this bag. I mean, when I tell you, I have been wrestling with myself about this bag, about like, you don't need it, don't get it, but I really want it. It's one of those colors that don't always come around at the store. You know, it's like those released colors, but then once it's gone, it's gone. And I didn't want to have any regrets about like not getting it. And then like 5 years later, like, why didn't I get the bag? You know, why did I let that bag get away? I didn't let it get away. So I'm about to show you what I got right now, but you have to stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and then I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, so for today's video, I am doing an unboxing of a new bag that I got. Yes, like I said, this has been living rent-free in my mind for some months now, okay? I don't even know how long. I guess since it got released, I saw it and I was like, I don't need it. I don't need it. Until it was just like, I can't, I need it, I gotta get it. So I did that. I actually got it and I'm going to unbox it for you today. Yes, yes. Oh, and it's from Dior. You know, if you didn't know already from the thumbnail, and you know, I'm wearing Dior today as well. But yes, it's from Dior. Y'all know I love some Dior. Like, it just, Dior has my heart. So I'm going to unbox it. But before we get into today's unboxing, I want to ask you to please go ahead and just hit the thumbs up video. Yes, like the video, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can be informed when I drop a video, because I drop a video every week. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So let's get into today's unboxing. Okay, so I'm gonna put these gloves on because I thought they were really cute. It has like a little bow. I'll even show it to you guys once I have it on so you can see. They're just like cute gloves, which are perfect when I'm doing these unboxings to like not get any additional makeup from my face or lip gloss on my bag. But yeah, I love these gloves. They're like my presentation gloves, my unboxing gloves. Okay, now let's get into this. Again, this is a Dior bag. You guys know I just love Dior. I feel like I'm the one who just loves Dior. Just, yeah, something about Dior just speaks to me. But okay, anyways, I'll be talking way too much. Let me undo this, open this box. Now, you might kind of already can guess the style of bag because I have a lot of them. I talk about it a lot. And I mentioned it also in my previous video about like my summer handbags that I love for like spring, summer. So it's one of those three. I've mentioned 3. Yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I just got this. Took the ribbon off. I'm gonna take off the beautiful tape. But y'all not ready. Y'all are not gonna be ready for this color. Okay, so it is the lavender or lilac. I'm not sure what the exact name of this color. I'm sure it's on the tag. But yeah, like that beautiful lilac, purple, Miss Mini Dior, or now I think it's called My Dior or My Mini Dior, whatever the new name it is for this bag that they renamed. I don't care. It's the same style. It is the wallet on chain, I guess, type of bag from Dior. I know a lot of people don't like it because it's small, but I'm a small bag girl. I don't carry much. Just for me and my lifestyle, it works perfect. As you know, I don't really carry much. I'm actually trying to pare down. I know, like, pare down, you take, you know, keys, a form of payment, and your phone, and lip gloss. But like, I always carry like 1, like 2, sometimes 3 lip glosses. I'm like, okay, so I'm trying to like pare down to just take 1 lip gloss now. So that's me paring down. Okay, when I say I'm trying to like take less with me, it really just means I'm just not taking 5 or 4 lip glosses. I don't know why I need so many, but you know, those who know. When you have like the shades and you want to mix and all that, you gotta bring all the colors with you. But okay, all right, let's get back to this bag. I love this bag because I get to fit my phone in here. I get to fit my key fob, my keys, my form of payment, really just like my holy trinity. I call it my holy trinity, which is my keys, form of payment, lip gloss. So that's what I have in here. Oh, and it does come with a strap. You know that these always come with a strap, which is usually the same color hardware, which is this champagne gold hardware that they have. So the charms are in champagne gold, which is like a nice light gold, almost kind of looks silver sometimes, depending like on the light. But like with this, the color of the bag and the way it pops with this champagne gold, it looks really nice in gold. And I'll just show you, hopefully get a good view of like this vibrant, beautiful color. Okay, now it does have like a pocket in the back, so if you need to like put a note there, your little valet ticket or something, whatever you want to put back there, it's a great little pouch for you to put something because it's the length of the bag. And then inside, it does have a compartment, so it has like a front half and then a back half. Like, I do kind of wish this middle part was not there, like, or you could take it out so you can use like the full capacity of this bag. If you were able to take this out, this would like really be more expansive, but because that divider's there, I can only like, again, put in my phone on one side, which always fits, and then like on the back half, put my cards there, like my form of payment, ID. I'll put like a key fob, a lip gloss in here. So I fit, you know, again, my essentials. Now, if you want to take more than just essentials, this definitely is in the bag, but I don't really take that much with me anyways. It does come with a crossbody strap. So let me get that too. Here is the strap that we can hook on. And then the strap, like I said, it comes in the champagne gold, and then it has like the pearl detail on it too. If you can see that, hopefully, a little pearl detail. Yeah, and it's really easy to hook on. So let me hook it on to these D-rings. And it's not really adjustable, so you could also make it like a shoulder bag by like doubling up the chain. So if you want to just wear it on your shoulder, you can definitely do that, you know. Or sometimes, like if I don't use a strap, you can just have it under here and wear it like that. Or, which I like to wear when I usually wear this bag if I'm not wearing it like top handle, because I love the top handle. I love wearing it like this. I love it. Then I will wear it as crossbody. So I'll show it to you. I'll stand up so you can see me put this on and see where it hits when I wear it crossbody. Like, their chains are perfect for me. I don't feel like they're ever too long. And if I haven't said it before, I am 5'9", so I mean, I guess that is tall for, you know, a woman. So let me try it on. So here is the bag, and let me put it crossbody. So this is what it looks like crossbody, and it like just falls perfectly where my hip is, which I love that because it's just easy access. I can come back here in a little small pocket and maybe get out, you know, like that stick of gum I was talking about, or like taking out the little valet ticket. And then I have my phone in here, which is easy access if I need to take out my phone, you know, make a phone call, or if I need to take out my little, I usually have like a little key pouch that has my ID and form of payment. I'll have that in there. I can just take that out. Or, you know, if I do carry like a lip gloss, you know, have your lip gloss in here, just take it out, you know, put it on, put it back in. So yes, it's the perfect for me. Like I said, I love these bags. I know they're not as popular, but I love a nice wallet on chain bag, and I think they're perfect. They're great. And then if you don't want to use the chain, you want to just wear it top handle, and you can. So I love that you can do that. And then I think I did show you where you can wear like a shoulder bag. So now if you do want to wear this as a shoulder bag, you can do that too. So yeah, I love this bag. But all right, yes, I love this bag. Like I said so many times in this video, and I just love this shade of purple. Like this is more my shade. I love a nice pastel purple. This is more my speed. More soft pastel colors are more me. I love it. Like I said, I have this particular color and bag on my mind for months. I must have tried this bag on so many times. When I went to Dior, I know they're like, are you gonna buy it? Like you just keep coming here to try it on, to look at it, to admire it. But that's just kind of like my MO. Like before I buy something, if I'm going to buy it, I have to look at it several times. I have to think about like, is this something that I want now, or is it just more trendy? Like, am I gonna be remorseful if I buy it, or am I gonna be remorseful if I don't buy it and then it's gone? Because this is one of those like seasonal colors that only gets released ever so often, and I thought this would be perfect addition to my other mini Miss Dior. And this is in lambskin. Like the name is still on the tag, but they've renamed it now, so now it's called like the My Mini Dior, something like that. But yeah, it used to be called the Mini Miss Dior. This is the bag. You know, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Do you like this shade of purple? Like, what is your favorite shade? Like, if there was a bag that came out, what's that shade that you would definitely get it? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what your favorite color is when it comes to a bag, or a color of a bag that you don't have in your collection, but if it came out, that's something that you would definitely, you know, pull the trigger and buy. I would love to hear those comments. Again, go ahead and like this video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And then until next time, guys, I just want to say again, thank you so much for your support. I mean, I just can't believe how much this channel has grown. So until next time, have a good one. Bye.